In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for designing clothes. If you want to create your own fashion pieces, custom merch, or eye-catching graphics for t-shirts and hoodies, Canva can be a great tool. The key is knowing how to set up your design properly so it looks clean, centered, and ready for print. A lot of beginners treat clothing design like a normal social media graphic, and that usually leads to blurry artwork, awkward placement, or visible background boxes that do not belong on fabric. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier when you use the right workflow. To get started, open your desktop browser and go to canva.com, then log into your account. Once you are inside Canva, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where you will begin setting up a workspace specifically for apparel design. When the menu opens, scroll down and choose Custom Size instead of using a standard preset. Change the unit from pixels to inches, then enter 14 inches for the width and 18 inches for the height. This size is a common maximum print area for apparel, and using inches helps you think in real-world dimensions from the start. After that, click Create New Design to open your blank canvas. Now that your canvas is ready, it helps to bring in a visual guide for placement. Go to the left sidebar and click Elements. In the search bar, type T-shirt mockup or hoodie template, then press Enter. Choose a clean, flat lay garment image and drag it onto your canvas. This is just a temporary guide to help you see where your artwork will sit on the shirt or hoodie. Next, start building your design by going back to the Elements panel and searching for styles that match your vision, like streetwear vector, Y2K line art, or minimalist typography. Try combining more than one graphic element instead of relying on a single stock asset. Layering shapes, lines, and text helps your design feel more original and more polished. Once your graphics are in place, add or refine your text. Choose a strong font that suits apparel, such as a bold sans serif style, and center it neatly if needed. If you are using a photo or illustration with a background, click the image, choose Edit Photo, and then use the background remover tool to isolate the artwork. This is especially important for clothing design because you want the design itself to print, not a white or colored box behind it. Before exporting, delete the mockup shirt so only your artwork remains on the canvas. Then use Canva's alignment guides to make sure everything is centered and balanced. When you are ready, click Share, then Download, and select PNG. If you have access to transparent background, turn that on and increase the resolution to 2x for a sharper result. Then click Download and your apparel design will be ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.